Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Coal Chemical Department of SAIL RSP fetches substantial revenue for the company. And admission procedure for Class 1 of Ispat English Medium School of SAIL RSP to commence. Coming to the news in details, Coal Chemical Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has registered a record dispatch of crude coal tar, road tar and other byproducts in the month of October 2020. The department dispatched 9,580.76 tons of crude coal tar and 239.94 tons dehydrated tar, which fetched a revenue of Rs 20.40 crore for the company. All the dispatch was coordinated with the help of marketing and finance departments. Quality of the material dispatch was maintained, for which positive feedback was received from the customers. Some of the major modifications done using in-house resources to facilitate increase in daily loading capacity of crude tar in CCD include commissioning of 2 crude tar loading points, modifications in pipelines, improvement in parking facilities, modifications in crude tar tanks 1, 3 and revival of CTF3 heaters. The newly commissioned loading points have sufficient height to accommodate bigger road tankers with 30 to 35 tons of capacity. One of these points is provided with gravity loading facility, which can function without operating any loading pump. The initiative would not only save power but also ensure uninterrupted loading during power failure. Modification of pipelines of idle blast furnace tar transferring pumps would help use the pumps for tar loading and transferring in tar plant, thereby increasing the availability of pumps for crude tar loading. The revival of crude tar tanks 1, 3 and CTF3 has helped in reduction of separable moisture content in crude coal tar, thus adding value for customers by crude tar quality improvement. The improved parking facility can accommodate up to 20 tankers at a time, thereby enhancing the volume of dispatch. In addition to this, sanitation facilities have been created for drivers and helpers, keeping in view the pandemic. The achievement was made possible because of the enterprising endeavors of the committed team members of CCD, comprising Mr. M. Das, DGM, Mr. S. Patnaik, DGM CCD, Mr. M. K. Panigrahi, Senior Manager, Mr. B. Patnaik, Senior Operative, Mr. K. C. Ojha, Senior Operative, Mr. P. Barik, Senior Operative, and Mr. S. Patra, Senior Operative, under the leadership of Mr. K. K. Patra, GM in charge CCD, and guidance of Mr. I. Rajan, CGM, CEO and CC.
This is possible only when you have a good teamwork, and this is possible when you have a good coordination among different sections actually. So also the team has put a lot of innovative ideas and good effort for achieving this wonderful performance actually, by which we could achieve highest dispatch in October 2020.
They have done a marvelous modification. Previously we have 2 points of loading. Now we have 4 points of loading. So immediately we can cater to 1,000 ton loading in a day. And so far we have achieved 671 ton in a day, but we have got the capacity to load even 40 tankers in a day, approximately 1,000 ton.
आमर प्रथम 3टा पॉइंट थिला, 2टा इफेक्टिव थिला और गोटे लेस इफेक्टिव थिला, जो कि बड़ बड़ टैंकर गुड़ाक आमको लोडिंग करार असुविधा होगा। से आम आमर उपरस्थ अधिकारी मान सहित आलोचना करी प्रथम ताकू हाइट बड़ कलु, तापर आमर से बड़ बड़ टैंकर गुड़ा भी आम लोडिंग कर पार्लु एवं से उत्साहित होगी पुणी थे आम फोर्थ पॉइंट कलु जो थे कि आम एका दिने एककालीन 1000 टन एवं लोडिंग कर कैपेसिटी रखु
गाड़ी ठीक टाइम रे लोड हो जाऊँगी ठीक टाइम रे भी आउट हो पारुची आ गाड़ी गुड़ाक जाकि भी रिटर्न आसी पार्टी आउठी डेली भी आमर 30-40 गाड़ी आराम से हो पारुची ए नुआ पॉइंट हो आमर बहुत एवं सुविधा हो ड्राइवर मानक भी बहुत सुविधा रही।
Ispat English Medium School Sector 20 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is starting its admission procedure for Class 1 for the academic year 2021-22 from 18 November 2020. Registration forms would be made available in RSP portal for SAIL RSP employees. Others can collect the form from school office between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Each registration form costing ₹100 would be available from 18th November to 10th December 2020. The last date for the submission of forms is 14th December. Timings for submission would be between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Children of SAIL, RSP, RDCIS, RMD, CET, CMO, CISF, MECON, NSPCL, state government and central government employees stationed at Rourkela are eligible to apply. In addition to this, the other criteria that would be considered are weaker section, that is the BPL card holders, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and socially and educationally backward classes. The selection would be done through computerized random sampling method in the presence of parents on 18 December, followed by the publication of selection list the same day at 3 p.m. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.